Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Tuesday, August 11th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys. Overall energy as I feel it today is a little bit less tense. You know, it's been kind of tense, I think, here recently. I feel like a lot of people are just kind of projecting fear. There's a lot of resistance coming in, you know, things like that, kind of making us feel, you know, have been making us feel on edge, so to speak. Okay, so a lot of that kind of energy had been going around. I feel like it's lifting a little bit, and right now I feel like it's more of a almost like feeling a little bit more in touch with your spiritual side. I feel like we've been kind of back and forth in this energy of like feeling like, oh, I'm in the 5D. Now I'm in the 3D. No, 5D, 3D, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I feel like a lot of us are trying to come into balance and have an equal balance of both. Try not to be too intellectual, but try not to be, you know, too detached from reality as well, like from, you know, from the 3D, so to speak, right? And I feel like that has been, I think, a main frustration for a lot of people, is trying to find that balance. And I feel like we get kind of frustrated with ourselves and we're like, oh gosh, I've been too much in the 3D lately, you know, I got to get back to this. And then you go and do some meditation and now you're too much in the 5D and you're like, why can't I find that balance, right? And I really feel like right now a lot of us are trying to find that balance, right? And to kind of come back into feeling at one with the spiritual and with the physical. Okay, so like finding that balance of the masculine and the feminine energies. Okay, that being said, I really feel like today I feel like there's kind of a detachment from emotion. Maybe I feel like some people are you know, maybe having going through like a purging or a dark night or something like that, kind of taking a step back and being like, all right, I need to get out of this energy. So I'm just going to detach from it for a second. I'm going to take a look at it objectively and see what I need to do from there, which is not necessarily a bad thing, you know, using that emotional intelligence. Why am I feeling this way? What has triggered me to feel this way? What do I need to heal? That's a good thing. That's a good step, okay? But don't forget to, you know, if you do need to feel what you need to feel it. You don't turn it off, so to speak. You know, you need to address it. You know, you don't want to stay in that energy. You don't want to be, you know, addicted to feeling that way. Some people are addicted to misery, literally, right? But you can, you know, feel it and be like, okay, so what is this evoking for me? What is this evoking? When I feel this energy, what is the first thing that comes to mind? Like, you know, this happened to me a lot, just so you guys know. Like when I would feel rejected, or I would feel like that feeling where you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna, like, you know, and the first thought that would come to me would be something from that happened to me when I was younger. Like it would evoke that immediately, and that would make it deepen, right? So what is being evoked right now with that emotion, that initial feeling that you're getting? What is that evoking? Okay, that is something that needs to be cleared. That is something that needs to be looked at deeper, okay? Do some inner child meditations, or whatever it is that's coming up. Do some meditations or some subliminals or binaural beats, however it is that you do that, okay, to get that cleared. You know, reintegrate some things. You know, some of you are probably dealing with some disassociated subpersonalities right now that need to be reintegrated, okay? So let's take a look. And remember, everything is a learning experience. Everything is a learning experience, okay? All right, so overall energies for today, wow, this is great. So courage and how teachable are you? Basically, yeah, like being like, okay, well, I have the strength to move forward. I know what I need to do here. I know that I am in my truth, you know, and I know that Source has my back. You know, it doesn't matter what happens or what comes my way. I can get through it, right? And I know that, again, everything is a lesson, right? I am learning the lessons and I am moving forward. So that's great. That's actually really good overall energies. Yeah, harmony, that's it. That's exactly it. Okay, that's exactly what I said. I feel like a lot of us are trying to find that harmony, trying to find that inner peace, that inner balance. Yeah, and being efficient about it. Absolutely. So that's that I think is actually a great term, efficiency. The whole idea that yes, we control our destiny. We you know, control our our abundance, right? We control our energy. We control the things that we see, okay? But also, you know, learning how to draw in that balance and using it efficiently, using the energy that we gain, using that positive vibration for, you know, not just our good, but for, you know, the greater good, or the good, or whatever it is your calling is, whatever it is your mission is, okay? So messages from spirit today. Yeah, some adjustments are definitely required, guys, and I think that's what we're doing right now. We're kind of coming into balance. We're trying to figure out, okay, what adjustments do I need to make here? What do I need to clear? What is it that's coming up for me, right? But I think the deeper, yeah, that's it, right? You are good enough. So whatever it is that's coming up for you guys right now, yeah, you are good enough. Absolutely. Don't think that, you know, just because you had some experience in your life that held you back for a while, that you kept holding yourself back, that you need to beat yourself up about it. You absolutely do not. Okay? Just learn from it. Move forward. Everything's going to be fine. Okay? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.